Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the software upgrade for your vManage. So for upgrading the software, there is a separate image called the software update image. If you see this software.cisco.com website under routers SD-WAN, you can see the software types. So this vSmart, vManage, vCloud, what you see in the bottom, these are all for new deployment, and you can see an option called SD-WAN software update. So when you want to upgrade from 18 to 19 release, you can download this update image and then start upgrading. So in this lab, I'm going to upgrade to 19.2.2. So you can see there is a separate image for vManage upgrade image, and there is a separate image for vSmart, vHCloud, and also for vBond. We use the second one. So in this video, we are going to upgrade vManage. So I'm going to download this one. So this is my vManage console, and you can see a question mark here. When you click that, you will have an option called dashboard, help, and about. When you click on about, you can see the Cisco vManage platform version. It shows 18.4.4. That is the current version it is running. This one we are going to upgrade to 19.2.2. So for upgrade, we have to go to the maintenance and then software repository. And under software images, you have add new software. You click and then click on vManage. And here you have to browse and then upload your vManage image that we downloaded. So I have browsed to my PC and then uploaded this vManage image, and I'm going to click on upload. So it is uploading now. So one information I would like to give is like your vManage should be always have the higher image than your vEdges. So you should not first upgrade your VH. vEdges should be always have a lesser image than your vManage. So first we have to upgrade our vManage only. It's still downloading. Yeah, now we can see 19.2.2 image is successfully uploaded. Now we can go to our under maintenance, and now you can click on software upgrade. So we have clicked software upgrade, and then we can go to our vManage. So you can see vManage is running in 18.4.4. So now here you can click on upgrade, and you have to select the version, that is to 19.2.2, and then click on upgrade. So upgrade is in process now. So now the validation is success. It says scheduling process. Now it's preparing to download. So it will take some time. Till the time I will pause the video. Now you can see the signature verification is succeeded, and also in the vManage CLI, if you give show software, you can see it is downloaded, but it is not yet activated. So now we have to go to the maintenance, software upgrade, and then click on vManage. So now here we have to click on activate, and you can see the current version, it shows 18.4.4, and available version is 19.2.2. So when we click activate and then select the 19.2.2 and then click activate, it will start activating, upgrading to the new image. So it is rebooting now. I'm going to stop the video till it gets rebooted and comes online. So in the CLI also you can see the system is going down for a reboot now. A broadcast message came. So now the vManage is upgraded. I can see the platform version 19.2.2. Also on the CLI, when I log in, you can see it says WebTila 19.2.2. Verify the show software, and you can show the show software active says true for 19.2.2. Now let's go to maintenance, software upgrade, and click on vManage, you can see the current version 19.2.2 and the available version it still gives you 18.4.4. that is, if you want to downgrade to 18.4.4 we can still do that. You can simply click on activate and select the version. It is running in 19.2.2, so only option available is to go back to 19.4.4. in case you want to revert to a previous image, you can do that. So that's the procedure how to upgrade your vManage. In the next video I will show you how to upgrade your controllers and the vEdges.